So since the local authority events, a couple of key things in terms of the programme. Firstly, we've now got our environmental health secondees on board. They joined us this month and are already plugged into the enhanced registration and segmentation work streams. It's invaluable to get the current practice from those who work at the coalface, who suffer the pain on a daily basis. So it's really good to have them on board. Another thing that we picked up at the local authority events was that at the moment the programme feels very environmental health driven and not sufficient attention in relation to trading standards and how it's going to look and pan out in the new model. The good news is we have a trading standards officer joining us at the start of next month, and at that stage we'll be able to seriously ratchet up how we're dealing with the trading standards side of things. Okay, so in terms of the EAGs, which have been up and running now for a year, the initial thinking was that they would help us get the initial target operating model developed and fit for purpose. We're pretty comfortable that in terms of what the model looks like, those four key components of it, that is the way to move the programme forward. But now we need to get into the detailed technical work. And in terms of getting that right, what we really need is the expertise from across the piece to be able to get into the nitty-gritty. So we will be taking forward our working groups. There will still be members from the EAG contributing to the working groups, but we'll also bolster that with other expertise that we feel needs to be in the room to help us get the work done. The other aspect is, of course, in line with our aspiration to be a more modern and digitally driven organisation, we want to take the opportunities to use the wider EAG to contribute on an online way. So we'll be looking to still feed questions out to the EAG, but expecting responses through our online platform.